Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm the 20-something grandma, and today I'm going to show you my take on a healthy vegan version of Nutella. This recipe uses no white processed sugar and is actually really easy to make, so keep watching and find out. First, you need to remove the pit from some dates. I don't really have exact measurements here because you can just customize it based on how sweet you want the final product to be, but basically the more dates, the sweeter it's gonna end up tasting. Then you're gonna need your food processor and add in the dates. And depending on the size of your machine, you may need to do this in batches. Then add in the nuts of your choosing. If you want the taste to be as close to the original Nutella as possible, you should use freshly roasted hazelnuts. For this version I used almonds, and that'll also work out great. Now, depending on how juicy your dates were, you may need to add a bit of water in order for it to blend properly. Turn on your food processor and blend for quite a long time, or until there are no more lumps and it looks lovely and creamy and delicious like this. I could eat just that, and it's totally awesome. And now it's time for the secret ingredient. Take about 2 tablespoons worth of pure cocoa butter and melt it above the stove until it looks like this and is kind of liquidy and beautiful, and it smells so much like chocolate. And then add it into your date paste. And this is what makes it taste extra special, because it really binds the flavors together. Trust me on that one. Now just add as much cocoa powder as your heart desires and stir it well together. You could add melted chocolate here, but then it wouldn't be sugar-free anymore, but that's totally up to you. If you don't mind that, use melted chocolate. It'll also make it taste really great and intense. Another nice addition could be a few chunks of nuts, and I've tried cacao nibs as well, and that was so delicious. I just crushed them up a bit so they're a bit more fine, and then toss them in at the end, and you have this beautiful chocolatey cream that just happens to be way more healthy than Nutella, but just as delicious. Trust me on that one. When you're done, just put it in a jar like this and store it in the fridge until you're ready to eat it. It should last for about 2 weeks if you keep it in the fridge at all times, but I'll be honest, in my house it never does, because I just eat it by the spoonful whenever I'm hungry, and it's so good. I can never just have one bite, so that's why. But I'm sure it'll last if you have better self-control than I do. I also use it in cookie recipes like this one, which I'll show you next week, so keep an eye out for that. I hope you liked the video. Bye!